Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this Range Rover Autobiography 3 litre diesel. This car next needs a service in September 2021. You have 21-inch alloys, light silver diamond turned finish, an electrically deployable tow bar and a powered tailgate, along with keyless entry. This car has previously only had one owner. Going inside the vehicle, you have an ebony leather interior, along with a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. You have a front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. A 10-inch display screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. Sat nav. A rear view camera with a 360-degree option, making parking and reversing a lot easier. You also have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which makes driving along the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer. They are also massage with several different settings depending on your preference, which is a luxury to have. All seats in the vehicle are memory, which is ideal if there's several people in and out. And you also have a Meridian sound system. This car's only done 7,038 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the lovely Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31 and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.